Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to download Python and other apps, coding apps into your computer. So first open up your search engine. I'm using Google Chrome. Then go to anaconda.com. So Anaconda, it should pull up this and you go to the individual edition. So Anaconda is free to install and use, and it includes all of these different apps for coding. The one we'll be using is Spider, which is Python. So click download and it should take you here. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So click the one you need and it should install. So once it's installed, search Anaconda in your computer and it should pull Anaconda Navigator up. Open that and it takes a while to open up because it's big. It's a big file. So once it opens up, you should see this page over here. So it has all of these different apps. So to code using Python, we will be using Spider. We'll click launch and should show that it's launching Spider, and this box will open up. And once it loads, you will see this here. So you will only see this temp.py, and you won't be seeing these three. So Spider is just Python. As it says here, it's an enhanced interactive Python. You can type in just simple Python codes in the Python 3 language, such as print pi, and it'll run them here. Hi. I'll teach you some basics of using Spider. So to make a new file, you just click File, New File, and it'll open this up here. Or you can click this icon right here, the paper with the folded corner. And to save it, you just press Ctrl S or go to File and click Save As. And you can save it wherever you want. Just make sure that it ends in .py because it won't work if it doesn't end in that. And that's it for now. In the next video, I'll be teaching you some basic commands in Python. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.